back with a new story. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin today's story. Today's story name is The Luckiest Bird, Crow. So once upon a time, there lived one crow who was very happy bird and always used to be happy. I am a happy crow, cow, cow, cow. I am a happy crow, cow, cow, cow. I have black feathers, but I like to fly in the sky. Cow, cow, cow. So the bird was so happy. One day, crow was flying in the sky, and suddenly the crow saw a little duck into the pond. Duck, quack, quack. So bird was thinking, oh, the duck is a beautiful bird. Then the crow went to the duck and said, Duck, duck, you are such a beautiful bird here. The duck said, Oh, thank you, crow. But you are also a good bird, isn't it? The crow said, No, no, not me. I have a black feather and no color. You have such a beautiful yellow color and soft feathers also. So you are a beautiful bird. The duck said, Oh crow, I think according to me, parrot is a beautiful bird because parrot has beautiful colorful feathers. See there? Then the crow saw the parrot and went to the parrot. Cow, 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 cow. Hello parrot. Hello crow. How are you? The crow said, I'm fine. You are such a beautiful bird. What happened, crow? Why you are talking like this? You are also a beautiful bird here. Crow said, No, no. You have colorful feathers. See, you have beautiful sound. So you are the beautiful bird. The parrot said, Ha ha ha. Thank you, crow. But according to me, peacock is the beautiful bird here. So, see, there is a peacock. Can you see? The crow saw peacock and went to the peacock. Cow, 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 cow. And he met with a peacock and said, Peacock, you are the beautiful bird over here. I think in the full forest you are the beautiful. The peacock said, Ho ho ho, thank you, crow. But you are also a good bird. Do you know that? You have such a friendly nature. That's why you have many friends here. Correct, crow? Crow said, Yes, but my color is black. I don't have sweet sound, right? And I cannot do dance like you. Peacock said, Oh, crow, do you know you are the luckiest bird? Crow said, How come I am luckiest bird? The peacock said, See, you are black in color, but you are intelligent. You don't have colorful feathers, but you can fly in the sky. I cannot fly, right? And most important, you are never caged. So you are the luckiest and best bird here. And listen, crow, don't compare yourself with others. Just say thanks to God for whatever you have. So after hearing this, the crow became happy. So, what is the moral of the story, kids? Don't compare yourself with others, and thanks to God for whatever you have. Okay? So, this is the story of today. If you like my story, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.